In this section, we will build n8n plus Airtable automation room booking system. In this section, we execute our workflow, enter our name and room types, submit, and check our table. Yes, added. Let's start our workflow. Create workflow, rename it as hotel booking, add note on form submission and configure it. Title, description, field name, your name, type as text and a placeholder, type your name. Second field, room, what room do you want? Element type as drop down, single, deluxe and suite. Execute our workflow. We will show form, input name and what room you like and submit. Yes, the output data is got. Now we'll add note Airtable create or Airtable create a record. First, I need to add credential. Open doc and Airtable is create an account, Airtable account. As I have already account. If you not account, create account with Google or email address. You will show this type dashboard. I will create workplace and create a table, Airtable. My workplace name is Airtable, and I will create a new token from Airtable / create a token new name and scope access, read, data write and data. 3 types. I will take 3 this action. Access and create token. Also add base table. Rename base table as booking. Of base table booking and create token key. It's just copy token key and paste to our Airtable connection and rename the connection name. We will make it as professional when we create project. Just for learning, we just will take the name and room. We use these 2 fields. Just drag and drop name, table 1, name, yes. We just drag your name to name field and room, what type of room name is room name, your name, drag what room, drag to room. What room do you like? Drag, and its dynamical value is execution. It will be set dynamic value from input form. Now we execute our workflow. Type your name, Alrat, and single room submitted. This Alrat is added in our room. Now we can add email confirmation note, Google Sheet instead of Airtable. Use cron face daily submission, etc. We can extend with our automation system. Just it's for basic idea to use Airtable in n8n. Thanks for watching.